Hello, my dear family members. I can't resist myself uploading a video regarding Devin software engineer. Wherever I visit, people are talking about Devin, its mythological features, and its consequences. And most of them spreading fears that Devin is going to replace software engineer. Is this reality? Should we still learn coding? Should we leave IT job? So let's get into the answers. Actually, every time a major technological advancement occurs, there is a common fear that it will render certain jobs obsolete. This fear isn't unfounded as technology has indeed replaced some jobs. However, it has also created new ones and made existing jobs more efficient. For instance, the advent of computers eliminated some manual tasks, but it also opened up a whole new field of jobs in IT, programming, and digital design. When digital money started becoming mainstream, there was anxiety. But here we are, still with jobs and still with coins and notes in our wallets. Right? So, what is Devin? What does it do? Well, Devin is an AI developed by Cognition designed to automate the process of debugging, writing, and deploying codes. The company Cognizant named it software engineer for marketing purpose so that it can reach to more people. Basically, it's a powerful tool, no doubt, but does that mean it's going to replace human software engineers? The short answer is no. It's not a replacement for human software engineers. It's just a tool that they can use to make their jobs easier and more efficient. Nothing else. Here is why AI can't replace human. When we work with clients, their requirements are constantly changing. It's a dynamic task that requires not just coding skills but also communication, understanding, creativity, and adaptability. These are inherently human traits. And AI, no matter how advanced is it, cannot fully replicate this. Even if an AI like Devin can write code, it can't fully understand the problem or come up with creative solutions like a human can. So instead of viewing AI as a threat, we should view it as a tool that can help us become more efficient and productive, just like how a hammer does not replace a carpenter and AI does not replace a software engineer. It's just a tool that they can use to do their job better, right? So, what does the future hold? The future is not about AI versus humans. It's about AI and humans. AI will become a big part of our lives, but that does not mean it will replace us. We will still be here doing what we do best, being human, and that's something no AI can replace. So, to all the software engineers out there, don't panic, embrace the change, learn about AI, and use it to your advantage. Remember, you are more than just a coder, you are a problem solver, you are a creator, you are a communicator, and that makes you irreplaceable. So, thank you for today's session.